Hello everyone, this is Aya, and in today's video I'm going to show you simple holiday cards for men. So let's get started. So the paper I'm going to use today called Christmas Time by Graphic 45, and here I'm showing you the journaling and ephemera cards, chipboard, and the paper. And the paper comes with 2 sticker sheets. So here I'm showing you the beautiful design of this collection, and while I'm flipping to show you the papers, I'm also picking some papers to create my cards. I love these beautiful colors together, the vivid colors, and even the smell of a new paper. I'm not sure if you do the same. If yes, please write down below in the comments. Okay, so yes, as you see here, all the papers, and even there is some template if you like, to cut for, for a tags or something. So I choose 3 papers, and I'm going to make slimline cards. The dies I'm using are from Mama Elephant. I'm going to link them below in the description box. So here I cut all the papers, and you can mix and match the design. This is the first card. Just I was testing something, but I'm not going to take this card anyway. But here are our 3 cards. So my idea was to create a shaker card, but while I'm doing the shaker card mechanism, I couldn't find any acetate on any plastic sheet. So okay, change of plan, let's do just or add some sticker, gemstone sticker. Also this is by Graphic 45. So you see these 3 holes in the card, so I'm going to add some gemstone and with the paper. So the paper, as you see, the paper I picked up is full of design and colors, and which I really love. Definitely you can go simple, and I'm going to show you in the 3rd card. Then I took red flower and just wrapping it around these 2 circles or semicircles. It's very simple and elegant. Definitely you can skip this step, but the idea here just to create very quick and easy card. Then I added a sticker from a sticker sheet. Now moving to the 2nd card, my idea was to create a mini jars. So I just use a topper die, this one called 3 jar die from my creative time. I'm going also to link it down below. So again, I'm using here glue gun, and I'm adding a skeleton leaves to be the window for my mini jar. As I said, if I have acetate, I will create a shaker card and maybe put some sequins or some these small treats made of a clay. It will be really fun. Yes, and then so instead I just gonna use skeleton leaves, and really matches the paper, the color of brown. Then next I die cut 3 topper jar using that die. Again, I'm gonna link everything in the description box. This is not the paper I'm going to use, just testing and see how things will work out together. So here are the 3 jar topper. Just mix and match some papers. So cute, right? For the jar itself, you can add again sequins, clay, these street clay, or you can add even Nuvo drops, 3D paint, whatever your heart desire, or whatever you have here. So I used glitter 3D paint, but it didn't work, and I don't know, it was clogging, and it didn't work, and I felt okay, I messed up the card, but of course I'm not going to throw it away. I said okay, again I'm going to use my handy dandy gemstone sticker, I know, as if it's like some treats, and I cover the Nuvo drops using black a black gemstone. Again, definitely you can see some red, but I'm fine with it. I mean, it will not, you know, ruin the card. And again, put some sticker from the sticker sheet. Last card's very simple and easy and straightforward. So I'm going to glue my layers together, but this time I will not, you know, make it, you know, in the center. I would rather just put it on the side. You can choose left or right side, but I choose the right one. Then I'm going to add also gold washi tape. This also by Graphic 45. You know, add some texture to my card. And also I'm going to use some sticker. These sticker, I don't know what you call this, is very old one. I'm not sure if it's available or not, but you can use you know, a fabric or any dentelle, and you just glue it together. No need to be a sticker, I mean, if you do not have it. Last thing for my sentiment, this one, it's a die cut from a fairy wings collection. I don't know, because I wanted to match all the colors, but other papers definitely from Christmas time. So here we go, we have 4 cards. This card I show you in the beginning. It's just, I really love the paper with the ornaments, and just try to add some flowers. You can consider, you know, this idea. This is very, very simple. Just add, you know, cluster flower, you know, and the top corner, and a sentiment, and that down. And for the other 3 cards, I really love how they turn out. Slimline cards are really now on range, and everyone loves them. So you can really play and mix and match paper together. Yeah. So I hope you like the video. Give it a thumbs up, please. If you have any question or anything, just write it down below in the comment, and I will see you next time. Bye.